Hello guys, we're taking the beamer today. And we need to get gas. Gotta appreciate cheap gas. Alright guys, now that we got gas, I'd like to welcome you guys back to the channel. And then if you're new to the channel, my name is Ken and this is Car Chapter. This is a YouTube channel about a Kia Stinger and a BMW 440i. Be sure to subscribe and like this video before we get to today's topic, guys. So I wanted to apologize to you guys beforehand about the last video that I made, the last couple of videos that I made to you at Grandfather Mountain. So it turns out that since I was testing out my new camera and new microphone, I actually forgot to plug in my camera, my microphone all the way in. So that's why the mic wasn't working, and then you could hear a lot of wind noise, and then you couldn't hear much of what I wanted, what I was saying. So sorry guys. And but I'm very sure this time the audio is all okay now. And then trust me, when I found out that I forgot to put the wire all the way inside of my camera, I was triggered, guys. I was really triggered. Like I wanted to smash the camera and then break the microphone. But it was my fault. So I couldn't do that. I haven't been driving the Beamer a lot lately because of the tires, which is what we wanted to talk about in today's video. And I wish that today I'd already have the new tires, but I don't, because there was a problem with the order. They're out of stock, and now I had to get a new set of wheels and then hope that they come in time next week. But I'm still able to drive the Beamer properly because the tires, they're not as bad as you would expect them to be, but they're not as good as you would want them to be, especially when you really want to hustle it. Like I said, guys, so I'm driving somewhere right now, and it's getting hard for me to record while I'm holding this camera because it's kind of heavy. We're going to go do some errands right now, and it's around almost 4:30 in the afternoon, so that's why I'm really rushing to get there, because I don't want to get stuck in rush hour traffic. Hey look, nice X3. I've always liked these X3s. In fact, I almost traded the Stinger in for an X3 M40i. They will never release a full-on X3M of this car. Okay guys, so we're finally here. I should really stop saying guys. It doesn't sound weird when I'm saying it, but when I'm editing this video, it sounds really weird. I don't know if you guys think it's weird. There, I said it again. I don't know if you think it's weird or not, but post in a comment below if you think it's weird. Because when I'm editing my video and I hear my own voice and I say and I hear myself saying guys like 10 times over in a single videos, that's just very cringe, you know. Anyways, we are here at the park. Yes, we're at the park. I like going to parks because it makes me just to recharge a little bit, and then to just get away from all the noise and then all the hectic stuff that's going on in the city. And then I have a very hectic schedule as far as my life goes, so going here is a nice just, you know, a nice break from everything. And then I figure this is a good time for me to talk to you guys about what it is that I actually made this video for, the tires. I want to tell you guys about the tires, and then Well, you already know that I wanted to get new wheels for the Beamer, and then it should be coming about in a week or so, and then hopefully I'll get it next week, and then I can get that video on so I can install it and all that, and have you go through the experience with me, because this is my first time changing wheels on a car ever. I know I'm an amateur when it comes to changing wheels, but hopefully once we actually change the wheels, you'll like it. So I want to show you guys the tires that I have on now, and then how much wear I have on it, and then so you can see how bad is it, and or maybe not, how or maybe I'm just exaggerating how bad it is. But anyway, let's go. Nope. It's one thing I don't like about the Beamer, that you have to actually press on this little thing every time just to unlock the car, because it doesn't have an automatic unlock, because that would make Beamer that would make Beamers too they would have too much stuff going on, and then yeah. Okay. You guys look at that view over there. See, it's nice and quiet, and then just behind this park's actually like a lot of congested traffic, so it's a nice change of pace. But anyways, I want to go ahead and show you guys. So this is the 400M wheels, M wheels that came with the car when I bought it. And then as you can see, there's not much wear on these, except for the sidewalls here. I don't know if you can see them. I don't know if you can see it clearly or not, but this is just the front driver's side. But for the front passenger side, it's actually a bit different. Oh, that looks so good. Okay. So if you look over here, that the driver's left side and then the passenger's front side are actually, they have uneven wear, which I think it's kind of expected because of how hard I've been driving this thing. Can you see that? So the uneven wear is kind of okay. It doesn't bother me as much, but when it's raining or when it's wet outside, you could feel that the right side just wants to slip, and then you know, it's kind of weird. And then it gets weirder when you go to the back. When you go to the back, the tires are they don't have that much wear, honestly. I mean, if this was a square setup, I could move this tire over to the front and then move that one to the back. But I don't. But who does that now, anyways? Especially on a Beamer. But so since I don't like these wheels that much, I just thought that changing the wheels would be much better than just to get another set of wheels. Oh, I forgot. These are the run flats, the crap flats that they came on. They have unbelievably fast wear, because when I first bought this car, this had a lot of wear. See, front passenger, and then the back, and then the rear passenger, and the driver's rear right there, and then the driver's side over here. I don't know if that's clear or not for you, but yes, that's why I think that it's a good reason for me to change the wheels, and then, you know, just get something badass. I hope you guys can still hear me. Oh, see, I said guys again. I need to stop saying that. It's just a bad habit. It's a bad habit that I admit happens when I'm nervous. But look at this view. I like chasing views, and then, well, nobody should hate view like this. Oh. And then I hope the wheel that I decided to get, that you will like it, because I think it's completely badass. It's not it's not complete. It's not anything anything too extreme. I just got a new set of 19s, and then the stock 19s, the stock 18s. Sorry. So the wheels that came with this are 18s, and then it just looks like it's riding a little too high. And then I know that I could always lower the springs a little, but I don't want to lower the beamer at this point, not yet. So I decided to get a set of 19s, and I decided to put two 25 40 19s in the front, and then two 55 35 19s, which is basically stock setup. But I think that stock setup works the best in my current situation right now, because I don't have much experience with changing wheels, so, and I don't want to really mess anything up yet. So yeah, the wheels will come in a week. It's gonna so that will that wheel th- those the wheels are gonna make this car have a black on black look, which I like, because I want to, even though there's a lot of people that do black on black, I want to just, have the Beamer get a murdered out look, because I may wrap the Beamer towards the middle of the year or the end of the year. I don't know, but after the Stinger, because I totally want to wrap this thing. I want to wrap it so bad, because black wasn't really my first choice of color when I bought this, but it's just that it was just that I let my emotions get the best of me, and then I could have gotten a 650, but I settled for a 440 because I thought it was the best compromise. I thought it was the perfect, not a compromise. I thought it was the perfect choice when it comes to performance, style, and size. But anywho, guys, that ends today's video. I hope you guys. See, I just said guys like 5 times in the span of like 10 seconds. So I hope you enjoyed my video, and if you haven't, please subscribe and like this video, and help this channel grow.